Bitcoin is right now exploding towards our target. We saw this horizontal triangle. If we do the following like this, up like that, what we can see is that Bitcoin would go all the way up potentially to $43,000, almost $44,000. This would be a trade of approximately 40%, guys. Right now, it makes sense to have exposure to Bitcoin longs, and even more so if we break above this level here, 31k. If we break above this level, then we are very likely to see a huge pump all the way up to this level, and then here we should increase our positions.